Almost every piece of computer software is created using source code, or the technical blueprint that tells a program how to function. When creators release their finished product to the public, they must decide whether to make their software open source or closed source. With closed source software, also known as proprietary software, the public is not given access to the source code, so they can't see or modify it. But with open source software, the source code is publicly available, and programmers can see or modify that code if they desire. Keep in mind that you don't have to read or change any code in order to use an open source product. The vast majority of apps, games, and other popular software are closed source. However, there are open source options for many types of programs. If you want an open source alternative to Microsoft Office, you could use LibreOffice. Instead of using Windows, you can try an open source Linux operating system. Other open source examples include the Firefox web browser and WordPress blogging platform. One of open source's biggest advantages is that it's usually free, though some features and technical support may cost extra. Also, since the code is available to anyone who wants it, public collaboration can find bugs, add features, and improve performance within a relatively short amount of time. With that said, open source software is not perfect. It may not be as user-friendly as closed source software, and if you run into trouble, it may be difficult to find technical support, especially for less popular programs. As for closed source software, it's more likely to be a stable, focused product, and if you need support, customer service is typically easier to access. However, closed source software often costs money, and if it has any bugs or missing features, you'll have to wait on the creator to address the problems. Now that you understand the difference between open and closed source software, you can take advantage of the type that best meets your needs.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.